Welcome to my channel. Amazon Eero Pro 6e Setup, Quick Easy. Step 1. Unbox your Eero Pro 6e. Take the Eero Pro 6e power adapter and Ethernet cable out of the box. Make sure everything is included before you begin. Step 2. Connect the main Eero. Plug the Ethernet cable into your modem and connect the other end to the Eero Pro 6e. Then plug in the power adapter and turn it on. Step 3. Wait for the LED light. Allow the Eero to boot up. Wait until the LED light starts flashing blue, which means it's ready for setup. Step 4. Install the Eero app. Download the Eero app on your Android or iPhone. Create an account or sign in if you already have one. Step 5. Start the setup. Open the app and tap Set up a new Eero network. Follow the on-screen instructions to begin the installation. Step 6. Name your Wi-Fi network. Enter a Wi-Fi network name, SSID, and create a strong password. Use a password that is easy for you to remember but difficult for others to guess. Step 7. Add more Eero devices, optional. If you have additional Eero units, place them around your home and use the app to add them to your mesh network. Step 8. Check for firmware updates. The app may automatically install the latest firmware. Let the update finish before using the network. Step 8. Check for firmware updates. The app may automatically install the latest firmware. Let the update finish before using the network. Step 10. Test your connection. Open a website or run a speed test to make sure your internet is working properly. If everything loads correctly, your Eero Pro 6e setup is complete. Thanks for watching.